Welcome to Creative Design and Supply. Again, I have something new for us. So, since I can sublimate on the Oracal white and the transparent, if you haven't seen that video is on our channel. We are going to do our PSV adhesive. This is the ColorSplash PSV glitter adhesive. Okay, so I tried it just by itself. Okay, it's dull. Let me get the one to compare it. Okay, sorry, I have so much stuff. Alright, so I did it. You can't see the shine, the reflective. It's got a little muted to it. Alright, so I did the same process that I do with the white and the clear Oracal. If you don't know that process, you would want to watch that video, so that way you can see how to get, there it is. See all that shiny? Okay. So, alright, so I have one for the silver glitter, and I have one for the white. Alright. So on this one, I am going to do, let me cut it down. Alright, so we are going to place this on there. Okay. Alright. So we have our blowout paper. And I'm actually going to maneuver it to double it up a little bit. So I'm going to do this one at 350 for 60 seconds. The reason why I'm doing 60 seconds is because of the process that we do this. It has to be able to penetrate on that. Alright. A key to this is we are going to let this cool off. Okay? It has to cool. Okay. Alright, in the meantime, while this is actually cooling off, let's see, okay. While this is cooling off, if you do not have a digital infrared thermometer, you might want to get one. They're not much, but the reason why, this plate is going to have hot spots. So wherever you're really wanting, let's see, okay, it's at 352 right now. I actually have it set for 340 because of the 10 to 11% difference. You may not think that that's a lot, but it is. It can change, especially when you're talking about sublimation. So, with that being said, ooh, look. Look at how beautiful and shiny that is. Okay, I did, let's see, where's my silver one? The one I did. Okay, so you can see a difference. Okay, I just sublimated straight on top of this. Okay, it's dull, and this one is shiny. Alright, this is our ColorSplash PSV glitter, adhesive glitter. PSV means pressure sensitive vinyl. Okay, you can find it on our website. It is actually $2.75 a sheet, or you can get it in a 5-foot roll for $12.50. Alright, This is not a sheet. I cut this one down to 9 inches because you would have a full 12 by 12 sheet for $275. All right, and let's go ahead. And now that we have that one, we will go ahead and do the white glitter. All right, I have it set at 340, but it's around 350 for 60 seconds. And I do have a firm press on it. And with my method also, you can sublimate on top of the holographics also. If you watch the one where I sublimate on, matter of fact, here are the stickers that I do, that I sublimate on the white and the clear. You'll find out what that is. Move this stuff over so there is, so see, I can't even get a reflection in that one. I mean, it's slight, but you can see how muddy it looks. All right, let's see, wham. How beautiful. So now you can see the shine on that one, but it's not going down on that one. So you can sublimate on it. It's just not going to show the glitter. Let me get up here just a little bit. Other questions, just let me know. This is a really good tool. That way you know where it's the hottest. I have a back part right through here that is my hottest part. So I like to down 10 to 11 degrees if I'm doing anything. If y'all have any other questions, just comment below. I'm glad I could help y'all.